Um, again, as an ER doctor, we see all kinds of THC overdoses, and people say there's no side effects. And now, the one that's really going to probably irritate people, we got to talk about marijuana. So, with marijuana, there's something called cannabinoid hyperemesis syndrome. I'm sure you guys have heard of it. If you happen to use THC products from time to time, you're probably not going to experience it. If you sit there every day throughout the day and vape high quantities of medical grade THC, you're probably going to experience it. Um, again, as an ER doctor, we see all kinds of THC overdoses, and people say there's no side effects. It helps anxiety, depression, chronic pain. Yeah, it probably does at some level, but the dose makes the poison. But in excess and in certain people, there's big deficits and there's problems and there's side effects. And one of them is cannabinoid hyperemesis syndrome. It's a toxin buildup and it gets in your brain and it just causes chronic nausea and vomiting. And people come in puking for 3 days. We call it scromiting because they scream as they vomit and they're just miserable. Electrolyte disturbances, they get dehydration, their kidneys get into trouble. You get potassium problems, magnesium problems. You can get cardiac arrhythmias and it can kill you. Okay, but it's also the only reason that you're in the ER tonight. And the problem is it's toxin buildup in the brain and in the tissue and in our fats. And it takes weeks and months to get that out of your system when you abstain. Well, how about the THC industry that is doing gigantic dosing of this stuff and massive concentrations of it, making a candy bar with freaking 1,000 milligrams of THC in it? This is not the marijuana from the 70s that has low THC content. This is massively genetically engineered product made to get your most dollar per acre, your most dollar per plant, almost kind of like with the drug industry that you supposedly don't like. So again, have your logic and have it apply in all instances because this ain't it.